more news and developments regarding to the successor to the LFA, which is codenamed. This is not official Lexus, but people are calling it the LFR, right?
I thought it was an official name. It's not?
As far as I know, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but as far as I know, it's not officially the LFR.
LFR is pretty cool, though.
It is cool. It's close enough that you understand it's like...
It's a successor. More than the, LC500? The LC500 is sort of the baby brother to the LFA. And I do love the look of the LC500. That's absolutely my kind of vibe of a big GT cruiser. If I had the money, I'd own one, but... but apparently this is supposed to be a brand new V8.
Yep.
Ground up V8. Now, my heart belongs to that V10. And it's kind of a shame that they don't have a V10 in here. But the fact that they're designing a new V8 right now is kind of crazy.
Yeah, that was rumored. They officially, Lexus themselves confirmed that, like within the last couple of days, that they are making a brand new V8. So prototypes of this vehicle have been seen at the Nürburgring, various other racetracks.
That means they're pretty far along.
Yeah, they're doing testing for it.
Would you rather have a naturally aspirated 600 horsepower car or a turbocharged 800 horsepower car?
Naturally aspirated.
Same.
Yeah.
Same. I would totally take naturally aspirated and take a huge horsepower drop just to not have to deal with turbo lag and whatnot and all the complexity.
Well, the rumors suggest it's a twin turbo V8 that will have in the neighborhood of 500 or 900 horsepower.
Yeah. If it's 900, then there's no way it's naturally aspirated.
So it's supposed to be related to the GR GT3 concept. Apparently those are being developed kind of like similar to the Mustang GT3 and then the GTD. They're being kind of developed together. You have the race version and then the road-going version. From what I understand, it's kind of the same thing. The LFR will be the street-legal version of that GT3 car.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah, so this will serve as a halo car for Lexus, similar to how the LFA did. And just like the LFA, it is expected to be very expensive.
The LFA was 380,000 when it came out, which was more than any Ferrari at the time, except for the specialty ones like the Enzo and whatnot. But more than any regular production Ferrari. Yeah,
this one's rumored to be north of 500,000, which in modern
now
dollars is about equivalent to what that was when it came out.
The people balked at the idea that they'd spend the money on a Japanese luxury brand supercar. They kind of like...
I think it's more to do with the scarcity.
Well, yeah, but also because they're worth it. Even with the single clutch automated manual, they're as a feat of engineering, they're worth it.
Showed what you're seeing here on screen is the Sport Coupe concept they showed off in August, which is not necessarily an official car, but it kind of gives an idea of like the brand's design language and the direction they're going. So between that and the spy photos we've seen at the Nürburgring, you could have a decent idea of what this car will probably look like. The name LFR was trademarked by Toyota Lexus, so
maybe.
Yeah.